It is a problem medicine so far has not been able to solve. Alzheimer's disease has eluded drug development for decades, but one medicine may be getting close. Tonight, in the first of a special two-part series, Meg Tirrell looks at the problem we face in Alzheimer's.
More than 5 million Americans are thought to live with Alzheimer's today, and no drugs have yet been shown to slow its course.
The Alzheimer's disease community, families, caregivers, and people who have received a diagnosis, are living with a diagnosis that is essentially a death sentence.
The number affected by Alzheimer's is expected to triple by 2050 without effective interventions. Work is underway at major pharmaceutical companies with important clinical trial results expected within weeks from Eli Lilly. But Dr. Maria Carrillo of the Alzheimer's Association says it's just the beginning of what's needed.
There's a lot of great therapeutics that are in the pipeline that we're thinking might be effective, but in reality what we need is a lot more. If this was, for example, cancer, there would be hundreds that were in late stage, and for Alzheimer's we probably have about 15 right now.
Many drug companies have shied away from Alzheimer's in recent years because of the sheer number of failures. Between 2002 and 2012, 244 drugs were tested for Alzheimer's. One was approved, Allergan's Namenda, which works on the symptoms of the disease. A key question surrounding Alzheimer's drug development is whether scientists have even been targeting the right thing. The most advanced efforts now subscribe to what's known as the amyloid hypothesis, the idea that amyloid plaques in the brain are not just a hallmark of the disease, but are causative of its degenerative effects. That's the strategy Eli Lilly is pursuing in its most advanced program, with results expected imminently.
And right now, there currently is no clear evidence that if we reduce amyloid, we get a reduction or slowing in Alzheimer's. This would be the first study to show that.
Some say there have been so many failures targeting amyloid that researchers should turn their focus elsewhere. Dave Ricks, incoming CEO at Lilly, says the company's trial will give the whole field important information about Alzheimer's, even if the drug fails to work.
If we miss that shot and there is no difference between placebo and so that would be very surprising, but I think really challenge the assumptions around the amyloid hypothesis, and we'd have to step back again.
Lilly is no stranger to setbacks in Alzheimer's. Tomorrow, we explore the company's 27-year quest to make a dent in this disease and why it hopes this time may be different. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Meg Tirrell.